Hi friends, here I am going to explain about the psychometrics. First of all, what is meant by psychometrics? Let's go through this, introducing the psychometric principles. And an important class of ideal mixture is water plus water vapor. The dry air mixture, which is usually known as nitrogen and oxygen, that we have treating as pure. When we allow water into evaporate into dry air, we call it as moist air. This behaves differently with small temperature, and the changes water may condense out of the air. Weather forecasts often discuss the moisture of the air. We already know about the weather casting, which is based upon mainly based upon the water vapor content in the clouds and etc. As engineers, we need to understand the behavior of designing the air conditioning equipment and cooling towers during the drying process and more. This field of study of water water with relevant to the vapors, which is known as psychometrics. Then, before going into this, we need to understand about the term called humidity. Humidity plays an important role in the major surface of the life. There are two types of humidity: specific humidity and relative humidity, which is known as specific humidity, which is the ratio of water vapor of mass to the total moisture at a parcel mass, which is known as the ratio of water vapor to the dry air, that is the whole air ratio. Then we need to came up with the term called relative humidity. Relative humidity is expressed as a percentage indicate the present state of absolute relative humidity to the maximum humidity at a given same temperature. They can be related by the ratios called. They can be related, and we determined mathematically the humidity ratio which is known as specific humidity. Omega is equal to mass of water vapor to the mass of air. As we said, mass into partial pressures of water vapor to the by the mass into partial pressure of air. Since My by Ma, which Mv, sorry, I have said My, Mv by Ma, which is the mass of water vapor to the total mass of dry air, which is equal to 0.622, the absolute value. So therefore, the humidity ratio can be defined as omega is equal to 6.22 divided by 6.22 into the partial pressure of water vapor divided by the total pressure minus partial pressure of water vapor. By the way, the relative humidity can be defined as pi. Relative humidity can be defined as a pi. Pi is equal to y by v divided by yv by sat. Sat, which determines the saturation state, which is equal to partial pressures of water vapor to the partial pressure of air, which are at the same temperature and pressure but held about the maximum amount of water as possible, which is already predefined as saturation. Then here we come across the other two terms, which is called as enthalpy of the moisture. Enthalpy is mainly defined by the symbol called H. So H by mass of enthalpy by the mass of air is equal to enthalpy of air plus plus the absolute humidity into the enthalpy of air is equal. Enthalpy of water vapor is equal to enthalpy of total air plus relative humidity into enthalpy of water vapor. You can estimate the enthalpy of the vapor using enthalpy of vapor, which is approximately equal to the enthalpy enthalpy of water at the same temperature and pressure. Now, here comes another term, which is the major term in this, which is called as dew point temperature. The dew point temperature is a temperature at which the water vapor will begin to condense, which is known as the starting temperature at which the water condenses when the pressure is a constant value. If the actual temperature of our air and the dew point temperature are same, then the relative humidity is equal to zero. Now let us see about the chart, which is known as psychometric chart, and know how to use the basics. And by using the basics, we came to know how we can find the values. Let us begin with this. This is the psychometric chart. We gonna use how to make how to mark the values in the psychometric chart. At the left side, we have the wet bulb temperature. We already have said that what is wet bulb temperature and dry bulb temperature. At the left, we have dry bulb temperature, and above the wet bulb temperature, there is certain values which is known as enthalpy, which is the enthalpy of dry air. which is represented in the terms of kilojoule per kg. And at the bottom it has a dry bulb temperature, and also has a enthalpy which is, and also has a enthalpy of dry air at the bottom too. Then at the right side of the right side, we came to know about some values, which is we already seen, that the specific humidity of dry air. And right side to that specific humidity of dry air, we have some certain values which is called a sensible heat factor. By coming to this value, the psychometric chart, the normal temperature and the standard temperature, and the normal temperature, standard atmospheric pressure are 760 mm per hg, or at 1.03 bar. By these are the standard values at which the psychometric chart has been seen. Uh, Thank you, friends, for listening to this video. And and if you have any doubts further, this is the basics of psychometrics. This is the basics of psychometrics, and we came to see, we now see about how to use the psychometric chart. As we know the value of wet bulb temperature and dry bulb temperature, we came to plot a point which by from which the enthalpy of the air is determined. By marking the wet bulb temperature from the left, and the right bulb and the dry bulb temperature from the bottom, we came to certain point at the point of intersection, which is at from the intersection we just go on a left, and we have seen the values of enthalpy. We can get the values of enthalpy, and also the values of specific heat, which specific humidity, which is mentioned in the right side of the chart. By this way, the psychometric chart has been seen and the values are plotted. At here, we came to know about circle or a small dot, which is known as the center of temperature. These are the basics of psychometric, and we came to know about the use of psychometric chart, and we also seen how to use the psychometric chart. Thank you, friends.